If your families are holding an A boarding pass, go ahead and board in your A group. Once appointments open seating, Southwest does not assign seats. You allow one carry-on and one personal item. That is a FAA regulation. I think I asked you earlier, you can have more than those two items, so go ahead and check that extra item as well as any walkers, wheelchairs, strollers, stray seats with customer service. Also, can you do me a favor, if you printed your boarding pass online at southwest.com, please fold that big paper in half only, just leave it in half, just fold it once, and make sure everyone is holding their own boarding pass, as I have to reconcile each person with each boarding pass, make sure we get the right people on this plate. Alright, looks like my A's are lined up. I'm going to let the crew know you're coming. Thanks again for your patience and your business, and welcome aboard.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God. That is so funny.